Deputy Commissioner Jong East KHASI Hills Belongru returning officer Jong first Geelong parliamentary constituency USC Sadhu. Ulapentip bagabor Pyniaid Distrik kala Weng no yak hukum Jong shispa sau pusau Crpc haka Distrik. Haka juk kapor ke Distrik kala penkre na dong sedong nak benta ke sengi vote kenang bakan long ke bayai be yai ringti.
All arrangements have been made to ensure that counting is done efficiently and in a transparent manner involving all political parties. And for law and order, we have made elaborate arrangements in terms of in ensuring that no unauthorized person enters into this entire premises of the counting. And though we have relaxed the provisions of this initial order for 144 with respect to rallies at portions, all other provisions of that order are still intact. So that is in the premises, that is still in force to ensure that no forces or no person or groups disturb the counting process.
Ka India berok kuwait